Imagine opening your pantry and finding a treasure trove of foods that not only satisfy your hunger, but also boost your health. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover the essential pantry staples that can transform your well-being. First up, oats. These humble grains are packed with fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which helps lower cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar. They also keep you feeling full, aiding in weight management. Next, let's talk about nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are loaded with healthy fats, protein, and essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for heart and brain health. Beans and lentils are your go-to for plant-based protein and fiber. They help manage blood sugar levels, improve gut health, and provide steady energy, making them a pantry must-have. Olive oil, especially the extra virgin variety, is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It lowers bad cholesterol, reduces inflammation, and protects against oxidative stress, supporting heart health. Quinoa is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. It's also high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, supporting muscle repair, healthy digestion, and balanced blood sugar levels. Garlic is more than just a flavor enhancer. Its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol, and boost your immune system. Honey isn't just a natural sweetener. It's packed with antioxidants and has prebiotic effects that support gut health. It can also soothe sore throats and improve digestive health. Whole grains like brown rice, barley, and whole wheat are rich in fiber and essential minerals. They help regulate digestion, maintain healthy cholesterol levels, and provide long-lasting energy. Finally, spices like turmeric, cinnamon, and cumin are loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. They not only add flavor, but also offer numerous health benefits. So why not stock your pantry with these nutritious staples? Your body will thank you. Remember, a healthy pantry is the first step to a healthier you. Keep watching for more tips on living your best life.